Alright, hopefully it's good. I have no idea. Okay, out on the 701 again. My mostest, favoritist ever little boy. I was having troubles with the rear tire. It was going flat a bunch. Because this side it wasn't on the bead. I was spraying it with just soapy water. And I found no holes. I'm like, what the world? So I sprayed the bead and it was bubbling a whole bunch. I'm like, you're the problem. So I fixed that up. Took it off. I debeaded it a little more, you know, just in case that's what it wanted. And then I put it back on, filled it with air. Yummy, yummy. I think it's good. So I'm going to take it on a quick runabout here and see if it loves me. Although I kind of bet the reason that it got off its feet is because I'm doing so many stoppies. I don't know. Getting better at stoppies. They're not amazing, but I can do them at stops now. Wheelies are still all over the place. I just need to figure out how to look around the bike when I'm doing a wheelie. I can't see anything. Do I go like, just look out like that? Is that why I'm swerving all over the place? I move my body weight around too much. Oh, that oil light's not on right now. Cool. Going out to some twisty roads today. I don't know, to me twisty roads aren't the most interesting for videos because it just kind of looks like I'm just going through a twisty road. But hey, it's fun for me and that's what I want to do right now. Are twisty roads fun to watch? Or is it just kind of like, oh, he's just going down a twisty road? I like watching wheelies. I want to find where I live, there's nice giant parking lots where I can go and like practice wheelies and stoppies. So, well, I know where one is, but it's like a drive away. And so, I don't really want to go all the way out there just to do that. I want to be close to my house, that way it's easier to practice. I've slid out in that turn before, there's a lot of gravel in there. Someone asked me one time, actually, let me focus on this turn. Someone asked me one time, why do I stay in the first mode, which is the slower mode on this bike? And I stay in the first mode because it's the slower mode on this bike. I can ride second mode, you know. Okay, I'm sorry, do your thing, thank you. You know, it's definitely a lot more. It's a lot faster in second mode. Not a lot, but I mean, it's a little faster in second mode. But like for wheelies and stuff, it's just more jerky and it just not as comfortable. And so, you know, first mode's still fast enough. It'll still get up and go pretty quickly. You know what, actually, maybe for the twisty turnies, I'll be in second mode so I can get out of corners a little quicker. But yeah, for wheelies, it's just jerky. And even on my 900, I always keep that in V mode, which is the slowest mode. Just cause, I'm gonna slow down some more. I keep forgetting, I need to be slower so I can hear me talk. Yeah, I just like being the slowest mode because throttle's not as jerky. It's just easier to control. And plus, you know, either way, especially at 900, it's still a fast bike. So V mode, you're still gonna be rocking and rolling. All right, we're getting here now. Postal Service. When I was getting behind the Postal Service, I looked down for like 2 seconds and then almost overshot the curve. Oh, scary. Oh boy, dirt in the road. Wasn't that just exciting? Oh wow, that really warms you up. Okay, okay. I have been thoroughly shaken up now. Wow, that's a lot of vibration. Oh, I forgot I'm in second mode. I was like, why did it wheelie so well? Well, because it's in second mode. So that's why. Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Heading home at this point. Just a quick video, nothing really too crazy to go over or anything. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Come on. Yeah, nothing really too crazy to go over, just kind of not that. Just kind of going outsy and aboutsy. I can't do a straight wheelie for the life of me, so I'm gonna go ahead. Just call it here. Toodles.